Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lock screen on iPhone for kids. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to enable such an option in the settings. So go and open settings and scroll down a little bit until you will find accessibility just under the general settings. Click on it. And now here we need to scroll down to the bottom until we'll find guided access right here, and we need to click on it. So now we need to enable this feature. Basically, it allows us to lock our screen for child. So turn it on. And here I recommend you to go and click on passcode settings and enable Face ID here or set your passcode. But for this example, I will enable Face ID. As you can see, it is already enabled. Now go back and you can close the settings. And now we have guided access enabled on our device. So now you can open the application for your child. So I'll show you as an example with a calculator. So for example, your child is on the calculator, and to enable guided access, we need to tap 3 times. So press 3 times on the power button on our iPhone. Just tap on 3 times and you will see this guided access menu. So here basically we can circle areas on the screen that we would like to disable. So for example, I don't want my kid to tap on these numbers, so I'll just circle them, as you can see, like this, and it selects the buttons. We can increase the square, just so basically cover up the buttons that you don't want your kid to press. And basically now when we are ready, we need to click on the start and enter our passcode. So in my case it will be something like that. Verify. So guided access started, and basically now, as you can see, if I'm tapping on these numbers I can tap on them, but the top numbers I can tap on them. And if your kid is done watching some video or just playing on the game, we need to click on the power button 3 times once again, Face ID, and now we can end the session or just basically customize it in some other way. So click on the end button in the bottom left corner. As you can see, guided access ended, and that is basically it. That is how we can lock our iPhone screen for child. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.